Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you guys with me to 99-cent only store because I've been seeing a lot of people haul that there's a lot of items for 50% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out and see what I find. I know I saw Maricela and Sammy's hauls posted a video about it, and also Crystal from Queen of the 99. My sister-in-law also sent me a message showing me that there's stuff for 50% off, so I thought I'd check it out. And yeah, let's go find out what there's going on out there. Okay, so first off, as soon as I walk in, I see there's already items here for 50% off, and it's just a lot of frames. These are $1.99 and $2.99, so they'll be 50% off of that. Here there's just a few items, nothing too exciting. This one's regular price, but I thought it was really interesting. I wouldn't buy it, but it's just pretty cool. All of these were 50% off, guys. So I found this that I have been wanting for a while, but I didn't want to pay $5 for it. So now that it's only $2.50, you guys know I got it. And look at all this home decoration. All these little games were 50% off as well, which is really good. Unfortunately, I didn't get any because I didn't find any need for getting any of these, so I'll pass on that. Here's these wall art stickers that are also 50% off, and all these little notebooks and stationery kits 50% off. Frames, wall clocks. This one looks really pretty. It almost looks mermaid scale-ish, but it's not. This one is $2.99, I believe, $4.99, with the little burlap on there. It looks really nice. There's no place like home. These are all so cute. Unfortunately, I passed on all of these. I wish I had enough house space or wall space to put all these in, but I don't, so I'll just pass. Look what I have here, guys. Finally, the Naked Juice. I got 3 of those. They also have yogurts, 2 for $1. And I finally found myself some more creamer. This is almond milk, and it is maple flavor by Coffee Mate. So I got me 2 of these, and this one expires April 2019. I found these snacks and all this little good stuff too, but I didn't get any of those. I did, however, find this. The Quaker Oat beverage, vanilla flavored. Ooh, what do we have here? It's a family meal kit by Stouffer's, only $3.99. It's like those Blue Aprons meal kits that everything comes in there for you to prepare. So I did get myself one of these, and this one is the braised pork. And it's 4 servings, but knowing my husband and I, it's going to be enough for both of us. But I cannot wait to prepare this. $3.99, and it expires October 2019. They also have this pork carnitas, $3.99. I passed up on these, but they do look really good. So maybe if I go again and they're still there, I'll go ahead and pick those up. Here's more 50% off items that I found. A lot of home decoration. I believe it was just home decor, stationery, what else, storage containers, just like stuff like that. Fill your heart with love. I really like this one. And then let's see what else. They had these photo frames. I really like these little tin boxes. There's 3 in 1. But I don't need them. But I mean, for that price, 50% off, it's not bad. If you guys are around a 99-cent store, go check them out. See if maybe you'll be interested in that. They have these. I finally decided to go ahead and get this one as well. Only $2.50. I could sort my mail in there. Here's more items for 50% off. I actually regret not getting a few of those cereal storage boxes. They would have been only $1. This bathroom organizer was only $5, but I don't need it, so I passed up on it. Then I found these beautiful marble utensils, kitchen utensils. These were not on sale, but I just thought I'd show you guys because I do think they are so cute. And then they have these little chairs for kids. More some spring wall decor. Love gathers here. Nice. They had this Paw Patrol stationery kit, $7.99, but with the 50% off it would have been like $4, guys. Again, I passed up on it. I cannot be hoarding all these things. Great deals, but no space. So it took me a lot. It took a lot for me to just say no to these things. But look at all these discounted items. They are doing the Salebration. This one was only $5 too. These are really cute, and it would have been $150. So for $150 you get 2 little journals and 2 pens. How cute. Girl power. Then I just found this little toilet when I was in line, and I thought it was cute, so I wanted to show it to you guys.